taking off the gear shift and changing the bulb inside the shifter is pretty simple. First, you slide this down, and then there'll be a little clip. It's right on there. You pull that clip off. Do not lose it. And your gear shifter will slide right up. Just like that. Then take your pry tool and starting down here, pry that. It'll just go straight up, very gently all around, straight up. Then you'll pull that out of there. It'll have a bulb in it. Mine was a 161 type bulb. Just pop that out of there, pop a new one in, put everything back together. Now this gear shift, mine sinks in. You take a screwdriver and pry it outwards. Pry it outwards and hold it all the way out as you slide it back on there. If you don't, your gear shift will not work. And that's it. Put your clip back on, put everything back together.